Yo guys, so today I'm going to show you how I made a major fade today. You can see me going on that hair with the guard one, trying not to dig in deep into his scalp. Most clients don't like their scalp showing on the haircut. Then I went with the guard one 3 to 4 times because his hair was thicker than I expected. So this is me using the 0.5 on that hair, trying to go against the grain because his hair was really tough. I had to dig in deep. I had to make the face because this is how the haircut came without enhancement. But he said he needed some enhancement because he had a lighter spot on his hair. You can see that. Then this is how the haircut came with the enhancement. Let me know what you guys think about this haircut. If I killed it, let me know. If I did my job well, let me know. Just come and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Peace out, guys. Just tune up for more videos like this. Enjoy. You can't stop loving the haircuts.